group.
Yeah, matriarch, yeah, okay. Yeah. How old would that elephant be?
That could be between 45 to 50 years.
Old, yeah, I'd say that. Big ears.
Big ears, big tusks.
They're big.
You know, their tusks grow all their life.
Yeah.
So the more the older, the more the bigger the tusk.
Yeah. Is that true with the ears as well? Do the ears get bigger as well? Or they
Yeah, they get bigger.
Yeah.
She's got a bony back, hasn't she?
Yeah.
Well, she's old like her.
Many times when they have young ones, they are more aggressive.
Oh gosh,
And the way you
that's
can
it.
know that they are aggressive is by
Whoa,
the
Matt, look.
glands.
Straight hair.
See
In the
below the
tree,
eye and the
there's
ear.
like a vulture.
They secrete
Dad,
progesterone
look.
Oh
glands.
yeah, it's a vulture. Right dead ahead.
I know, I'm
Distant.
watching this. No, my eyes on that.
Yeah.
Right on that tree, there's a vulture sitting on.
Oh yeah, I'm looking at this
On my way.
elephant for a minute.
Yeah, even so. She went like to near that baby.
How near it is. Is she trying to get us away because she's got a baby?
Yeah, you see, she doesn't want us to get in between with the baby.
Oh, I
That's
see.
the time she might charge.
And are they fast when they charge?
Yeah, they're fast. And you know, they make a loud noise.
How long do they feed the young ones then?
For 2 years, one and a half to 2 years.
Yeah, she's really big.
So she must be about 3.5 tons or something.
More.
No. I think a couple of females get it.
3.5.
Oh, look at that baby not playing with me.
He pulled this, pulled the bush, but he doesn't know what to do with it.
Oh,
They always look like they're smiling, don't they?
How much food they eat?
Young ones or the mature ones? Mature elephants eat up to 250 kilos of food
A day?
one day.
Oh.
They browse and graze for 18 hours, 18 to 20. So they only sleep for about 5 hours or 6.
250 kilograms, that's a load of grass.
More than you eat.
But they also have very poor digestive system. In 250 kilos, they digest only about 150. So others just get waste.
Yeah, it's just like,
Look at the baby's trying to get down the bank, look.
Mother will come and sort him out. She's watching. Eating and watching.
But they're like these trees.
When they are
you just see a
secreting
branch
those
sticking
progesterone
out.
glands, they are very aggressive.
Dad, can you see the vulture?
yeah.
yeah, I'm just looking at it now, Matt. There it is, look.
Where is it? Sorry.
On that branch, they're straight ahead.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, right over there.
Let me have a look with the
Oh, that is a fish eagle.
Fish
Fish eagle.
Fish
Oh,
eagle,
they're the
yeah.
biggest eagle, aren't they?
Yeah,
Fish
white.
eagle.
I thought it might not be a
What, a fish or a what?
Oh yeah, look with the binocs.
The binoc.
Want to see with binoculars?
Oh look,
Jill, do you want to see?
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, you can see it much better.
that elephant's actually crossing now, look.
Across the river.
It's going to where we were, look.
Is that that elephant?
You might need to adjust them for your eyes.
Yeah, I can see.
That's a big
What
bird.
noise is coming from?
She's pulling all the little
that-
trees she is.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's one there.
That's
So
why
it's
I was
really
telling you that they like trees and grass. So
Oh,
whenever
yeah,
they
that's
move
what I
through
understand.
an open place, they uproot all the trees.
Mañana ahí, ¿entenderle?